And we have some breaking news coming in from Uttar Pradesh this time, where a priest in the city of Dasna in UP was stabbed yesterday, and it's been 36 hours later and no arrests have been made yet. Meanwhile, the UP police has deployed 11 teams and all surveillance cameras within a radius of 1 kilometer are being checked. In fact, the UP police has also suspended 2 policemen who are responsible for the security inside the temple. Let me go across to my colleague Sumi, who's also joining us live. Yes, Sumi, over to you. Please share more on this latest incident.
Yes, Richa, some of the inputs that we have been getting from the Ghaziabad police is that 11 teams have now been deployed on the Dasna case. And in fact, the CCTV footages are also being thoroughly checked. But one of the CCTV footage had a very vague image of a person wearing a white kurta and a black pajama. In fact, this vague picture tells us a story that he was the attacker who had entered in the wee hours of yesterday, precisely at 3:30, to enter the premises of the Devi temple here at Dasna, Ghaziabad, and he attacked the disciple of Yati Narsinghanatha Saraswati, who is the head priest of the Devi temple, who has been in the news for quite some time. And in fact, last incident that was reported from the Devi temple was months before, when a boy from a certain community was roughed up as he was purportedly not permitted to drink water in the premises of the Devi temple. And after that, several such attacks have been carried out on the head priest. And in fact, Yati Narsinghanatha Saraswati, who is the head priest, he claims that despite the protection inside the premises of the temple, the disciple of his who had come from Samastipur, Bihar, was stabbed brutally, and in fact he was attacked brutally, and now he's undergoing his treatment in the Jashoda hospital, which is a few kilometers away from the Devi temple. And in fact, the operation yesterday was very successful. However, he still continues to be in a very, very critical situation. So right now what we're getting is that constant monitoring is going on, and the electronic surveillance is also being conducted, and on the basis of the CCTV footages that the police had deployed at inside the premises of the Devi temple, one vague image of the attacker has now come into being, and the FIR will be lodged shortly after more and more evidences are being collected.
All right, thank you so much, Sumi, for getting us that update. Meanwhile, we'll also take a look at this report that has been filed by my colleague Himanshu on this incident. A priest in the city of Dasna in UP was stabbed yesterday, and it's been over 36 hours now. No arrests have been made yet.
हम इस वक्त डासना के देवी मंदिर में हैं, जहां पर नरेशानंद सरस्वती नाम के एक सन्यासी के पर जानलेवा हमला किया गया था। उनके गले में, उनके पेट में ज़बरदस्त तरीके से जो पेपर कटर होता है उससे हमला किया गया था, और इसी मंदिर के अंदर उस घटना को अंजाम दिया गया। लेकिन हम यहां पर बताना चाहते हैं कि फ़िलहाल यहां पर ज़बरदस्त तरीके से पुलिस की मुस्तैदी हो गई है। पुलिस के लगभग 1 से 2 बटालियन यहां पर तैनात कर दी गई हैं। लेकिन यहां पर देखिए, पुलिस को CCTV कैमरे की फुटेज में कुछ भी नहीं मिला है। आप सामने की तरफ देख सकते हैं कि यहां पर CCTV कैमरा लगा हुआ है, लेकिन उस फुटेज में अभी तक पुलिस को कुछ नहीं मिल पाया है। दूसरी सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जो भी हमलावर रहे होंगे, उन्होंने ज़बरदस्त तरीके से पूरी प्लानिंग की होगी। बिना प्लानिंग के इतनी बड़ी घटना को अंजाम नहीं दिया जा सकता, क्योंकि देखिए, मेन गेट पर CCTV कैमरा लगा हुआ है। मेन गेट आप देख सकते हैं कि किस तरीके से यहाँ पर इतना बड़ा गेट है, जिसे पार कर पाना बड़ा मुश्किल है। लेकिन ये है बाउंड्री, ये है कैंपस के मंदिर की बाउंड्री, और ये बाउंड्री लगभग 5 फीट की है, 6 फीट, अधिकतम 5.5 6 फीट की है, जिसे बहुत आसानी से पार किया जा सकता है।